Robert, are you going to collect eggs? Uh-oh. Get up. You're okay. Get your basket. Let's go. Come on. Uh-oh. Come on. Get up. Let's get your basket. Come on. You want me to carry the basket? Come on. Okay. Go. Go. Here. Put all the eggs in here. All the eggs in here. Put it in here. No, easy. Easy like this. All right, get the other one. You hand it to Daddy. Thank you. Thank you. Is that it? Check this one. No eggs? No more eggs in here? Just 3 today? Robert, thank you.
Thank you.
How's she gonna say she doesn't like my chickens, but yet gets really mad when I'm the one that goes to collect the eggs? I can't even feed the chickens because she gets mad that I feed them, but then she tells me she don't like them. She likes them. Oop, there they go. Robert, do you love your babies?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. They're a week old, a little over. Those look like my 3 hens back there, and those 2 look like my roosters. Good little chicken, KJ. Hey! Hey! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, girls! Y'all just wait till your babies come out. Your babies. I can tell exactly which one's yours. And yours acts like a bully. Just like you. Come on, girls. I'm like a pimp or something. I'm surrounded by a bunch of chicks. Robert, do you see the babies?
Yeah.
Are they your babies?
No.
No. Do you love them?
No.
No. Do you love the babies?
No.
Look at them. Look at the babies.
Ah.
Robert, look at the babies. Look. Are they yours?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's a.
Do you love them? Do you love the babies?
Bad.
Say babies.
Baby.
All right, let's see if I can remember all your names. I'm trying to see your band. You're aggravating. Bluey. Good night, Bluey. Good night. I don't remember. Good night. Star. Good night, my pretty girl Goldie. Well, your head's looking a little better. That's good. Sushi, we need to take you inside and get you a bath. You keep sitting under here and they keep crapping on you. Bye, Blackie. Shiny, Brownie, Whitey, Princess, Speckles, Dot, Chicken. That, oh, there you are, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, you're all in here. Y'all have a good night, girls. Y'all's coop is looking like a murder scene. Come on, Blackie. Come on. Acrobatics. Morning, Sushi. All right. So, This thing's, for the most part, primarily empty. So we're going to empty it out. Wash off all the water. I actually have a baby bottle brush that what I'm going to do is bring out here in a minute and scrub all these down. Gotta make sure these are all even. I'm actually going to put this back here. And so all we did for the cups was drill a small hole, stick it through, and just put those little black clips on. That easy. We got them on Amazon. While this is filling up, we're going to come in, take all the nest out of here because we already collected 3 eggs this morning, which is pretty impressive. We're going to clean all this up and clean all this up. And then right after that, we're going to take these and we're going to put them in a little bath over here so they cool down in. So it looks like there's a lot of shade here for a good part of the day because of the coop. So we're going to set it there so the water stays cold most of the day. And we're going to get ice and throw it in there so they have a lot more cooling down to do, since they love that one. And them love to sit next to my air conditioner unit in the mud. All right. Water's not cold, but it's not hot either. I can get some ice later and put in it. The bricks are just to help hold it down. So if they step on it, it doesn't go. Comet, come here. Come here. Comet, come. He don't like the water. He thinks I'm going to splash him. Comet, come here. Come here. Bye. You're a couch potato. So I'm going to fill this thing slap up and see if they eventually get in it. You guys want a little snack? There you go. It's frozen peas. Get him, boy. Get him. Get him, Comet. Get a squirrel. Get a squirrel. Go. Okay, you don't see him yet? Gotta keep squirrels out the yard.